As the level company, we are the experts in reliable and accurate measurement technology for a wide variety of industries and applications. UWT's core competence is level, point level and interface measurement. With our instruments, we offer the perfect product for every application.
At UWT, we develop measurement technology at the highest level and build on three strong pillars: technology, performance and partnership. We have carved out an outstanding strategic market position for point level switches in solids. There we set new standards with our pedal switch. The superior quality and reliability of our products allow us to be the first provider in the world to give a 6-year guarantee on our devices.
As an owner-managed, medium-sized company with an international sales network in over 70 countries and personal contacts, UWT stands for a sustainable partnership at eye level, globally and regionally. We rely on open and honest communication, close and trustworthy, with customers, partners, as well as our employees. Committed and motivated employees and a great team spirit ensure that UWT feels like a real family, inside and out.